Welcome, I'm Bev Adams. I own an independent paper crafting business showcasing Stampin' Up! Products. I sell the products I used in this project and also a few items to make crafting more convenient. I would like to share today the Magnolia Lane suite. This suite is so gorgeous. If you get the whole suite, there's a stamp set, a set of dies, and a coordinating embossing folder. It's got designer series paper, some large envelopes, some large specialty Memories and More cards and envelopes, and Magnolia Lane Memories and More card pack. There's ribbon, there's cork embellishments, and also a Stampin' Blends pack. So gorgeous. And I fell in love with all these products. The Good Morning Magnolia stamp set is so large, it actually comes in 2 boxes, but I was able to squeeze it all into one. But look at the size of that stamp. It's huge. A lot of great greetings. There are 16 pieces on this die set, and this piece coordinates with this stamp set. And it's got this wonderful embossing folder that goes with the set. I really do think $134.75 is a good deal for all that you get. But I want to show you another alternative, and it is in our new Stampers catalog. There is a Magnolia Lane's card set. Everything you need is $45.50. You don't get the big Good Morning stamp set, but you get a very similar look with the Magnolia Blooms stamp set. You still get a lovely Magnolia stamp and a bud, some perfect greetings, congratulations, happy birthday, and thank you. What more can you need? You do not get the dies and the embossing folder. You do not get this large Magnolia Lane Memories and More card pack. This is what you get in the suite that has lots of these cards. It's got some stickers, it's got large cards, and some lovely vellum sheets, some more stickers. But you do get these Magnolia Lane cards, and you get 10 of the cards, 10 of the card bases, and 10 envelopes. I do have to let you know that the card sizes in this catalog is listed at 5 by 3.5, and the envelopes at 5 1/8 and 3 5/8. That is not correct. The envelope is 4.5, not 5 1/8, by 3.5, not 3 5/8. So they are not quite large enough to put in the mail, but they do make some lovely cards. Also with this set you get clear block D, which is large enough for the large stamp, and you get these 2 Stampin' Spots in soft suede and mossy meadow, and you get the adhesive. So really everything you need to make some lovely cards. Here's a card that I made, and all I had to do for this card was stamp happy birthday, add this 1 layer. I did stamp this stamp on the envelope, and I have to confess that I did color this in with the Stampin' Blends. I used the light petal pink and the light old olive. There's one more product I'd like to suggest to you to add as a separate individual item, Stampin' Dimensionals. You get 3 sheets of these double-sided foam dots that will really add to your card. You may also want to add these Magnolia Lane large specialty Memories and More cards and envelopes. You get the large envelopes, you get 20 of those. You get 20 envelope liners and 20 card bases. It is so easy to add these layers. You just put it into your envelope, and fold your envelope on the crease. There is a crease on the envelope, but not on the liner. So then all you need to do is add a little bit of adhesive on the liner, and you're ready to go. And I am going to suggest to you that you can also take this card that we made earlier, adhere this card base closed, add this as an extra layer, and have a large card that does work in the mail. So whether you decide to get the Good Morning Magnolia, the Magnolia Lane's Memories and More card pack, and the envelopes, or if you get the Magnolia Lane cards and more, and Magnolia Blooms with the Stampin' Spots and the snail adhesive and the block, you can make gorgeous cards.
Here's the web address for this project where you'll find the free detailed directions and links for the products I used. Just click the links and you'll be taken to my online store at Stampin' Up. Click Home near the top of my page and you'll find lots of resources. Under Shop, I have tips for online shopping, frequent shopper rewards, and products I offer to help you stay organized. Share my Evernote notebook for a nominal contribution. It functions as a fully searchable catalog. I offer a cardstock sampler, taggers to help you identify those dies with lots of similar shapes, heavy-duty bags to store 12x12 and 6x6 paper, and a bow maker. Inspiration takes you to all my projects. If you're new to stamping, you might want to look at the basics. You'll find how to cut card bases and layers, what's special about Stampin' Up! Stamps, and some of my favorite tools. Under Organization, you'll find catalog tabs, labels, and case inserts, a practically free stamp pad storage solution, a basic toolkit, color charts by alphabet, color family, and rainbow order, products by color, and RGB codes, and you can take a tour of my craft wall. More organization means more time for crafting. Come stamp with me here in Ventura County, California, or get the best deal of all and join my team of crafters. The team is called SIP Together, and it stands for Stamps, Ink, and Paper Together. The team is made of crafters who want to save money on the products they buy, share with a few friends, or to grow a business like mine. Be sure to subscribe to my website and on YouTube. I'd love to hear your comments. Thank you for joining me. Talk to you soon. Bye.